Best wishes to everyone. Today, my team is here to present a project named Advanced Bioenzymatic Cleaner with ultrasonic activation and solar concentration. Our project uses the principle of biochemistry alongside physics, which uses the penetrating principle of ultraviolets. Here is the introduction. India generates approximately 15,000 metric tons of fruit waste, which can be used for many reasons. And here is what we are using it for making bioenzymatic cleaners by the process of fermentation. This is our abstract idea of what you're going to do and how it is Atmanirbhar. There is a literature review. This is the result analysis of production efficiency. Here are the primary objectives and secondary objectives. Cleaning performance and efficiency. As we can see, grease, ink, and coffee and blood are few of the major stains which happen almost everyday life. And here is how it's efficient in our bioenzymatic product. Here are the materials used. We are using fruit peels, jaggery, water, and natural preservatives such as citric acid, which contains citric acids, such as lemon zest and different things. Here are the equipments we need: ultrasonic bath, a solar concentrator, temperature sensors, pH meters, laboratory glassware, and microscopic and treatment equipment. This is our major product. What you're gonna use? Ultrasonic wave generator. What it's gonna do is it's gonna break the cell walls in a time span of 48 hours. While normally fermentation takes almost 3 months, this will do the work in almost 48 hours. That is equivalent to 2 days and almost 70% efficiency. And here is our temperature concentrator, which will maintain our optimum temperature. These are the experimental designs in different phases. Here is a basic graph of antimicrobial efficiency. This is the zone of innovation where we have E. coli as a bacteria, S. arinus, which is another bacteria, and C. absicans, which are efficient in our product and does the work almost in double the amount. Here is our operational expenditure, which is a rough sketch because we haven't yet made our product and its expected values. These are the labor costs and other operational costs. Here is why it is truly Atmanirbhar. Thank you. This was Visionary Zara.